Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Plesk and set up Let's Encrypt SSL, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for your Plesk login page. Enter your username and password. Click on the login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites and Domains tab. Select the domain you wish to secure with an SSL certificate. Look for the option labeled SSL/TLS certificates. Click on Let's Encrypt. A new window will appear. Fill in your email address for notifications. Make sure the options for securing both the domain and the www version are checked. Click on the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you will see a confirmation message. Navigate back to the Websites and Domains tab. Select the same domain again. Click on Hosting Settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Choose the option SSL/TLS Support. Select your newly installed Let's Encrypt certificate from the drop-down menu. Click OK to save your changes. Your domain is now secured with a Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.